How's it going, everybody? This is Alshehaby. Today in our Photoshop tutorial we're gonna make 3 different ribbon effects. We have painting ribbon, water ribbon, and splatter ribbon. Tune in and let's get going. This is my first image for today. I'm gonna trim it down and remove the background. Interested to know my method of trimming? Just click on that link on the top. Here's my image after trimming. I'm gonna import my painting ribbon image in here. Control T to scale it. Once you're done, press on Control, then click on the image here to select it. Now go ahead and highlight the original image and hit delete from the keyboard. Now remove the eye from the ribbon image. Press on Control D to deselect the artboard. Now I'm gonna give some effects to the image. Double click on the layer to open the blending options. I'm gonna apply some drop shadow. You can go with multiply or linear burn. Just make sure it's a black color. Increase the opacity. Also make sure it's a 90-degree angle, as I don't want to see horizontal shadow. Then hit OK. Now press on Ctrl Shift N to create a new layer. I will name it brush. Place it underneath your image. And with the brush tool, I'm gonna apply some splatter effect behind my image for some extra effect. Those brushes, you will find them in a file in my video description below. Now to my second water dripping effect. This is my image. I will trim it down as well. Same method as the first one. I'm gonna cut this bottom part here. I only need the top section. This is my water dripping image. Control T to scale it. I'm gonna change the blending option here to screen so I can see whatever happening behind the image. Start scaling your image to fit in your canvas. Once you're done, select the eraser tool and delete the top part. Now press on Ctrl Shift N to create a new layer. Name it background and place it in the bottom. With the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle all over your canvas. Go to Edit, Fill, and you choose the background color, which is the white one. Now save the file. Open the file again. Select Magic Eraser tool and click on whites to remove them. Open the blending options to apply some drop shadows effect. Now place your image into your new canvas and create a new layer to add some splatter effect behind your picture. Also apply some drop shadow effect to your brush layer. Now to my third effect, trimming my image as well. This time I'm using the pen tool. Now bringing my splatter image into my canvas, Ctrl T to scale it. It changed the blending mode to screen so you can see whatever happening behind. Place your splatter image to cover the area you want to apply the effect on. Then hit enter. Now with the eraser tool, delete the top part. Highlight the original image and delete the bottom part. Save your work, then import it again. Unlock the layer. With the magic eraser tool, click on the whites again to remove them. Same as before, we're gonna create a white background and some drop shadow effect. Simple methods and cool effects. More tutorials coming on weekly basis in Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, and much more. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.